scared to cut this because I don't want to mess it up. What's up, everyone? Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, hello, my name is Latrice, and this cute, gorgeous face framing bang 5x5 lace closure glueless wig is brought to you by Love Me Hair. But before we get into the details of this gorgeous unit, we're gonna head on over and do a quick install so you can see just how easy it is to put on, and I'll be back with my final thoughts. Alright, y'all, so let's get into this gorgeousness. This is the new cutie from Love Me Hair, and y'all see them gorgeous curls. Yes, I am so excited because this has a bang on it, and I've never had a unit with a bang, so this is new to me, y'all, and we gonna just try this together, okay? And see how it is. So let's go and put her on.
Your love, I've been trying.
Okay, look at that. Okay, look at that. All right, I'm not used to bangs, y'all. This is new to me. Okay, look at that. Okay, so for now, we're gonna get these bangs out the way, but these curls look good, y'all. Look like they just been curled. All right, so we're gonna move these bangs out the way because we need to cut the lace, y'all. Gotta cut the lace. So we're gonna move these bangs out of the way so we can get into this lace. All right, so this is how it is. It looks like it got a little pre-pluckage going on, just a little, not a whole lot. Got a little pluckage going on, but not really worried about the hairline because we're going to be wearing the bangs. So I'm gonna get my wax stick because it's some flyaways, and I don't want to cut the hair, so I'm just gonna wax stick the flyaways back. Okay, and now we're just gonna cut the lace. Let me secure it so it's not sliding everywhere. Now I'm going to cut the middle. This unit does fit ear to ear, and it fits very comfortable on my head. The wig cap fits very comfortable on my head. It doesn't fit too loose, it doesn't fit too tight, it fits just right on my head. Get my eyebrow razor to cut the rest.
You got me feeling some type of.
Alright, y'all, so this is cute. And then we're gonna take the clips out and we're gonna work on these bangs. First off, let's brush it out. Let me see how it looks brushed out.
I just can't stop thinking about.
The bangs look pretty good on me. All right, so what I'm gonna do is put this extra hair back. What I'm gonna do is cut it just a little bit, and y'all, I can't find my other scissors. So what I'm gonna do, and I'm not a good cutter, okay? So don't come for me in the comments. I'm not a good cutter, but I'm gonna try to like I saw them doing it in another video. Saw another girl doing it, cutting it like that. So you do this if you don't want that, like that blunt cut. I don't want that blunt cut. Hopefully I'm doing this right. I hope I'm doing this right. And I don't mess this wig up, because this wig is too cute to be messed up, okay? So I cut it off a little bit, and y'all, I'm scared to cut this because I don't want to mess it up. I don't want to mess it up. But it looks like what I'm doing is working, y'all. So we're going to keep doing it. Okay. I see you. So let's cut it just a little bit more. Like, it's right here. I think I probably like want it like right above my eyes. 'Cause right now it's like covering my eyes. I don't want it to cover my eyes. I want it to be like right above my eyes. and see how that go. All right, y'all. So I did not get my flat iron.
All that I crave when you're away, nights asleep.
All right, y'all. So what we're gonna do? Put this up to the side. So what we're gonna do next is we're gonna curl this up a little bit, not too much, just to give it like some nice flowy curls. I'm liking the curls and how it came right out of the box, but I want to like tame it a little bit, and that'll be it for this unit, y'all. Like, this unit is super duper quick and easy to put on. Like, you don't have to do much to it. I'm not gonna put a lot of curls in here. Just want to give it some nice flowy curls. Not nothing too dramatic.
Take it away, feeling too good to me. Chilling all day, all in your space is where I wanna be. Here in this room, what did you do? I just can't get enough. Too caught up in your love. I've been trying to forget, but you won't let me. Something in my brain wants you. I've been hanging by my
ceiling fan blowing cold breeze on your body. I can't tell you really what it is, but you got it. Makeup in the morning, you got dresses in your closet, but you grab them tight, you in love with being modest. You a move body giving center views. I'm just saying I'm amused, but you ain't even flexing. And you cool, tatted up, cover wounds, different vibe, you know improved, but you ain't even flexing. And you ain't gotta try too hard. Number one fan, your side, you applaud. Got me think about inside the moss. Words go deep, it's like a sword.
Oh yeah, so this is absolutely amazing. It's so cute, it's so flowy and lightweight and easy, and it did not take no time to put this on, honey. Yes, perfect throw on and go type of unit for all my beginner friendly wig wearers. This is a great unit to have, or if you just want to have a nice protective style in between other hairstyles, this is a great unit to have. It is so perfect. It's lightweight, it doesn't fit tight or too loose on my head, and you do have the option to glue it down if you choose to. It's absolutely amazing, a perfect throw on and go type of unit. So let me tell you some more details about this unit. This is a daily face framing cute bang 5x5 glueless closure wig, and it is absolutely amazing to have in your wig rotation. It is so easy to put on, very low maintenance. Enjoy a effortless style to put on. You don't have to do a lot to this unit. It's low maintenance, it's time saving, and it is classy and elegant. These loose waves are perfect for any occasion. You can wear this to church, you can wear it to work, you can wear it to an outing with your friends or a date night, or just wearing around the house. This unit looks good in every aspect of your life. It's a glueless install, no skill required. So if you are new to wearing wigs, this is a great unit to have. Just take it out the box, cut the lace, put it on your head, and you are good to go. And you may have to cut the bangs, as y'all saw earlier, not too much, but it looks absolutely adorable. I love this unit. It is so different but classic all at the same time. You do have the option to do a C part if you choose to, because it does have a 5x5 parting space. So you can do a C part, a middle part, or a left or a right part as well. You do have the option to do a lot of bang style, so you can do a blunt cut or like a wimpsy cut like what I'm doing, or you can do a layered bang, or you can swish it off to the side or do a curtain bang. It is a lot options that you can do with this unit. The options are amazing with this unit. So let me tell you a little bit more about this unit. This is 100% virgin human hair. It is also 150% density. You can wear this wig 1 year or more depending on how you care for it. The color is a natural black, and it also comes pre-plucked for a natural hairline. This unit also can be dyed, so if you want to put a little highlights in there, you can do so. It does comes with adjustable straps and an attached band to help you with your glueless effect. It also comes with 4 combs, one on each side, one in the middle, and one in the back. And did I say this unit is glueless? It is glueless, honey. So don't worry about the lace and the spray and all that other stuff. Just grab this and put it on and you are good to go. It is a perfect unit to wear if you want a low maintenance and protect the style and just look flowy and elegant and absolutely fabulous. It also is very soft and I did not get any tangles as well. My fingers flow through this effortlessly. It's no tangles, none whatsoever, so you do not have to worry about that. I'm not getting any shedding. As well, so you don't have to worry about any shedding, and it is a perfect daily wear for your wig rotation. I would like to thank Love Me Hair for sponsoring this video, and if you are interested in this gorgeous unit, head on over into my description box below for all the details. And you know I got you, you know I do. There's a coupon code down there as well, so you can save those coins. And if you are interested in seeing all what Love Me Hair has to offer, make sure you check out the next video, and I'll see you over there. Bye.
But you ain't even flexing, and you ain't gotta try too hard. #1 fan, your side, your applaud. Got me think about inside the walls.